Hello everybody, I'm Steven and we're going to look into another company today. This week we're back on the hemp train and we're looking at one of the smaller ones, but they've done a really good job branding. They even put the word branding in their name. Elev8 Brands is what we're looking at today. They've been known for selling online CBD infused coffee and CBD infused teas. So check them out. Very low revenues, and we're going to see how that translates into their pricing chart now. So let's jump on over. You'll see we're looking at VATE on the OTC. As you might imagine, this is definitely a penny stock trading at 3 cents right now. I'm scrolled back to most of 2018. You can see they had some excitement, getting up to about 13 cents before trending downwards. And I've put some lines just showing that trend, touching the lows and the highs, and you can see how they're converging on 3 cents. So pretty appropriate. So let me zoom in. And this week we're using the Williams Alligator again. We've looked at this in the past. Bill Williams made this indicator. He's a famous trader. Famous in saying that a minimum amount of the time the market is in upswings and downswings. Most of the time, 70-75% of the time, he said it was in horizontal, untradable moments. And so you had to just be ready for the minority times when you can actually trade. This is not an example of the types of stocks that Bill Williams was talking about. Look at the high volatility we see. Swings of almost 100% in the price here. But let's look at the alligator. This is a smoothed moving average. So you can see the jaw, the teeth, and the lips. The jaw length is 13 and it's smoothed on 8 periods. The teeth is 8, smoothed on 5, and the lips is the shortest moving average here. The period, 5 periods, and smoothed on 3. So pretty average settings we're looking at here. Again, the green is the shortest period and the blue is the longest period. So what do we see in downward trends? We always see the shortest period on the bottom and the longer periods on the top. That's how you confirm a downward trend. So this downward trend that started on June 27th confirmed with the Williams Alligator right here about a couple periods later. So there would have been a nice gain for you. Then we see a switch. The shortest moving average pops on top, confirmed right here, and there's the upward trend. So this is a good way to confirm these upward and downward trends. We see the same thing here with this trend, confirming. Look what happens when it's sort of horizontal movement. We get lots of swings, hard to interpret, and you'd have to be a pretty aggressive trader to want to trade in these environments right here. I'm going to zoom in a little more because we're experiencing this downtrend here, but look what's forming, possibly a bounce. And here's that line that we had originally said, which may be, not exactly, but it may be a support line, which we might bounce off. So watch for the green line to the shortest period moving average to cross again, and see if you can take advantage of Elev8 Brands, the small hemp CBD company with low revenue, but low revenue on the pricing chart doesn't always translate into hard to make profit. So hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you had any questions in the comments, and thank you very much.